All right, we have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a gorgeous 1960 Chevrolet Impala convertible, 348 tri-power, upgraded power disc brakes, power steering, AC, 700R 4-speed automatic transmission, nice big aluminum radiator with a big electric fan, keep this cool, beautiful restoration. Just a drop-dead gorgeous car. Arizona car. Paint is very nice. Deep shine with the mirror light reflection. Those are clouds you see in the paint. Hubcaps are very nice. All the trim, bright work on the car shows extremely well. Very straight car. Very straight car. Again, all the chrome, the trim. Be about 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. If you want to fly in and check this car out in person, we'd be more than happy to pick you up from the airport. Just forward us your itinerary. All very nice. Just a very nice example. Here are your wing windows that you always seem to have issues as far as not shining and standing tall. Not the case for this one. Interior is very nice. Carpets as well. The frame on the convertible top is done. We just got the convertible boot flipped over. You can see it's very nicely done. I'm gonna take this for a ride. Last year for the fins. AC blows cold. I guess if you have a black car in Arizona, you probably need some cold air in the desert. Let us know when you're coming, forward us your flight itinerary. We're more than happy to pick you up and take you to any one of our 3 warehouses. We also welcome third-party inspections. We have a lift, no problem. We'll take it for drives, let you get a good feel, check it out before you buy it. You can reach me at 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Again,